Let's go!
Hey, that's what you've been working for.
Let's go!
I'm gonna disappoint you. You're not getting a Silverado.
Really?
Are you gonna buy a truck today?
I think I am.
What truck are you looking at?
Silverado, an F-150, or a Ram.
Oh, okay. If you get a truck, what is the first thing you're gonna do in the truck? Other than drive home. Obviously we're in Tampa, so we have to drive home.
If I buy a Silverado, probably listen to Silverado for Sale by Morgan Wallen, and that's about it.
Nervous scale, 1 to 10.
Nervous? I'm not really nervous, to be honest. I'm actually kind of excited.
Okay. What is the first thing that you're gonna do in your truck?
Like, what am I gonna do to it or do in it?
Do in it.
We'll drive.
Well,
I'm finding a dirty hole.
really? Like on the way home? Off-road?
It's supposed to rain like as soon as we leave, so yes.
Really? Just straight, like, hasn't even made the first payment.
Romping the shit out of it.
Oh my god. Okay, first thing that you're gonna do with your truck.
I get my kids in there.
What will be your first mod that you'll be doing on your truck?
Probably an exhaust.
Exhaust? Just going full ham?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 to 10, how nervous?
Like a 23.
23?
It's all good with that. So the only reason why I wouldn't do the red one, like if you want to go for it, the only reason why I wouldn't do the red one over the black one, the newer ones, is because it's a new engine. You never know the reliability of the new engine until it's been out for a while.
An update of what's going on.
So, could be better. We all bought the trucks, which is awesome. But they're kind of fucking us over. We can only take one of them home, which is okay because it's mine, the most important. But whatever. So it's kind of annoying. You're saying?
My first vehicle I bought, I can't
Don't
drive
put your
it home.
license plate.
That's fine. The first one I bought, I can't drive it home, so that kind of sucks.
I literally find that to be ridiculous.
Yeah, it's very.
Like, you're telling me
But
there's
in
no
their
one
defense,
else in this place that has a key?
We are 2 hours
past
after
their
close. So
We're at 9:30.
2.5
Well,
hours
I mean,
after.
they close at 7.
So understand. It's not understandable. No, it's understandable that they locked it in there, but it's not understandable that they can't unlock it.
Like, no.
Or give us something for the inconvenience, because they have to drive 2.
Hence, look at my new Yeti cord.
So what vehicle did you get?
2018 Chevy Silverado. That's it.
2019 Ram 1500, 20,000 miles.
Go far, baby.
No parking.
And then enter Fonzo, what did he get?
2018
2018 LTZ.
Black Widow Edition Silverado.